The car is reversing down the road, so he's basically saying, this might be a road for cars, but I'm taking up the traffic this morning. Yep, you can clearly see he's got his trunk on his test. Have you seen that a few times before, Dave?
I have, yeah.
It's quite interesting to see how they do that. I think he's going to go off into this thicket now. He's definitely not a comfortable elephant. Ooh. Ooh, but maybe he stopped off at a good plant that he likes. That could be a flaky thorn acacia. I know that the ellies love to eat those, so maybe he spotted one and said, well, I'll give them some trouble a bit later after I've eaten some food.